So why is it important to have 16-inch centers, to have 12-inch centers, to have 24-inch centers, whatever you want behind the wall or in the ceiling? What we're looking at here is hanging a TV up. We've all tried to hang a TV up in our room, in our house, and what happens is you're tapping on the wall, right? And what we're at right now, there's a 16, we know there's a stud right there, but we know also after we've drilled all these little holes in the wall that there's not another one 16 inches away. And when we try to put our TV mount up, when we try to put it up, it'll fall out, it'll tear the sheetrock out, it'll cause issues. If you're trying to hang a cabinet, the cabinet maker's trying to hang it, you're causing them issues. So why is it important that your labor force, your unskilled labor force, or just people that are learning, get that on 16? Because simple things like your TV have to be mounted correct, and they have to have studs, they have to have something to mount to. Here's our 24-inch tutorial. Lining up that 24, we've got this one nailed just for the tutorial, but here you can see that 3/4 inch offset on the tool. Take that, go from your second to your third stud. You can see here it lines up perfect. Then you go back to that first stud, just line it up right there on the end, get it flush on that top plate, bottom plate, boom, boom, nail it in. Now you can go in and you can get a measurement here. You can see 24. Then you can see 48, and that would extend on down from there. Make sure now your sheet good is exactly on center.